Dear students, in this video we will discuss about the MOS logic family part 2. In previous part 1 we study about the MOS family and create the NOT gate or inverter gate using PMOS and NMOS and CMOS. Now in this video we will try to prove that NMOS can be work as a universal gate. Here we know that universal gate is a NOR gate and NAND gate. For NOR gate characteristics is this: when the both input is low, output always high. If any one input is high, the output always low. So this will be proved by using this NMOS gate. Now here Q1 and Q2 are the NMOS type of MOSFET, and here is A and B is the input as a gate terminal, and the VDD is given to the drain, and source are to be gathered with the ground. Now check for our four possibility of input of two input A and B. Here is the 0 0, 0 1, 1 0 and 1 1. So this four logic we can check whether their output will be compared as a NOR gate or not. Here remember one thing is that as previously we know that for NMOS circuit, if the input is high, it is always on, it means short circuit conditions, and in NMOS input is low, is always off condition, it means open circuit condition. Now check this, remember of the NMOS characteristics. We check here for A and B for the 0 and 0. So both 0 0 is given. So Q1 and the Q2 both are in off mode. Off mode, it means what? Here is the open circuit. Here is the open circuit. So that's why current cannot flow through ground, they are go outside. So output is available as a 1. Okay. Now in second condition, this is 0 and this is 1. It means low and high. So low, it means this MOSFET NMOS is off and another one is on. This is off and this is on. So due to that VDD, from VDD to source, the path will be available from Q2. So current will be flow this way. So output cannot available. That's why output is 0. Now reverse is that here is the low and here is the high, or in reverse is high and low. The 1 0, this Q1 is on, at that time Q2 is off. The same way is the previous condition, it's a 0. Now both is high. Both is high, it means what? That both Q1 and Q2 is on. That's why both are on. So current flow easily through the ground from VDD to ground. That's why its output is 0. So these are the NOR gate. Now output is here 1 0 0 0. So same match with our NOR logic gate truth table. Okay, same way here we are considered as a NAND gate. For this NAND gate, here we check that in previously PMOS, this for the NOR gate, this Q1 and Q2 are in connected vertically, here are the horizontally or parallel. Here NAND gate is a series in a vertically, and in a previously PMOS this will be in the horizontal form. Now what happened here? Same way we are check when both the input is low, so Q1 and Q2 both are off. So both are off, so that's why it's a open circuit. So current cannot go through this way, so current go outside. So output is always 1. Now same way 0 and 1. So condition here is what? When the both Q1 and Q2 is on, then current can pass through here and output is 0. So either or off and on. So 0 it means off and Q2 is on. The output 1. Here same way on and off, output 1. Now both are 1, it means both are on. Both are on, that's why current can flow easily this way. So output is 0. So this is NAND gate, and this is the property of the truth table of NAND gate, can be match. Now next one is CMOS. Now CMOS, we here see that CMOS as a NOR gate. Now here for the construction we take a two PMOS in a series and two NMOS in a parallel form in such a fashion. So here VDD and this source and output is taken here. So now condition is that 0 0 0 1 1 0 and 1 1, and check whether these are NOR gate or not. The condition is that when both the input is low, output always high for the NOR gate. Now here check A and B both are 0. A and B both are 0. So what happened? This Q1 and Q2, it means these are the both are PMOS. So these both are PMOS will be on. So both is on, and same way here is the NMOS. So both are is in off mode. So this is the off and this will be the on. So current can flow this way output side. Output is always 1. Similarly for the 0 and 1, 0 and 1. So 0 and 1, then this one is on, this one is off, this one is off, and this one is on. So Q1 on, this will is off, and this is off, and this Q4 is on. So for Q1 and Q2 both are necessary to on to flow the current to output side and 1. But here is the Q2 is off, so output is 0. Now here is a 1 and 0, 1 and 0. At that time what happened? Q1 is off, Q2 is on, Q3 is on, Q4 is off. Once again here is the Q1 is off, so current cannot flow, that's why output is 0. Now both is 1, the 1 and 1, and this one is the 1 1. So both Q1 and Q2 are off, and Q3 and Q4 are on. So output always 0. So this will be match with the NOR characteristics. Now same way here we are check for the NAND gate. Here is the circuit. Two PMOS are connected in a parallel form, and lower side these two NMOS are connected in the series such a fashion. Here we check same way for the input is 0 0 0 1 1 0 and 1 1. Then what happen when the both input is 0? Now in a PMOS, when both input is 0, this will be in on state. On state, it means both are on, and at that time Q3 and Q4, that's why NMOS with the low input is always off condition. Off condition, it means open circuit. So output will be go this way, it will be 1. Now A is 0 and this will be 1 0 and 1. At that time Q1 is on, Q2 is off, Q3 is off, and Q4 is on. So this is on, off, off, and on. So this one is off, then current cannot go this way, that's why output will be 1. So output, whenever the output is 0, when both are is on, that's and that and time only output will be 1. So here is the 1 and 0, 1 and 0. That time Q1 is off, Q2 is on and off. So same way output is 1. Now both are 1, that Q1 and Q2 are in off mode, and these both are in on mode. That's why what happened, current cannot pass through, and this will potential near to ground, it means 0. So when both input is high, output always low. Both input is high, output always low. This condition is of the NAND gate will be satisfied. So this will work as a NAND gate. So remember this thing. The PMOS is a zero input, it's on condition, it means short circuit, the closed switch. Now if PMOS input is 1, it means off condition, it means open circuit, open switch. And NMOS is a 0, it means off condition, open circuit, it means this way. And if 1, it means on condition, short circuit, it means close. So this way we can design the CMOS as a universal gate. So this way the MOS family can be converted into the logic gate by using flip-flop, logic gate, and many things we can create it. Okay, thank you.